Hello there YouTube land, and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. Bit of housekeeping before we get started. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the like button. It's really appreciated, and press the notification bell if you want to know when more videos are coming out. As we say, another day, another job. Carrying on. Today, what are we doing? Well, I'm building a nice little fence, just about just under 1 metre tall, coming off the top of this wall. Just a nice little fence, just to create a nice privacy screen. I've taken down a fence that was there. It was like a trellis fence with all stuff. I can show you the all the rubbish, but that I've done that. Did I film? I didn't film that. Just been getting on with it. A lot of clearing, ivy as well. So I've cleared all that, and then I'm going to get around and I'm going to do all that. So that's what we're going to be doing. So there you can see, looking down, and you can see where I'm going to be building. You can see I've had some tools out, and I've been doing some stuff and just getting on. So I'm going to start building a fence up there. I'm using these Hex 100mm landscaping screws, timber framing, so they don't rust. As you can see, they go in there, they pull in really nicely. These are 75mm posts that I'm cutting and just supporting. So there you can see how high it's going to sit. Support posts, there they are. Put them all in and running round. So we've seen that, and we can now do the cant rails. So just looking from here, you can see I've started to put the cant rails in and getting a perspective from further back. There you go. Tripping over me saw. There we go. Got the cant rail on, bit of climbing up. I've been climbing along the wall, so there you can see the cant rails are up now, and I just slipped off there and fell into there. I didn't film that because I wasn't filming, but I'm all right. Nice little fence sitting on top, and just coming around there, as you can see. Nicely done. It did have to rain, didn't it? Just as I was finishing. Tools getting a bit wet, but we pushed through, and now it's eased up. Anyway, there we go. Nice little fence. Just a nice little easy, simple job. Just raising that. Took an old one down and made it exactly the same footprint. Just put that up. So thanks for watching. Lots more on the channel. Go and check all the stuff, small stuff like this, much bigger builds, and loads of well-being stuff. So from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care everybody. Bye.